Hello, my name is Ruby Dandridge, and I will be showing you some examples of how I met program and institutional outcomes during my time in Brighton Stratton. In my research and writing class, I met the outcome of utilizing appropriate current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal and then communicate findings in a visual, written, or oral format. With this project, we did a career development research paper. This paper helps me meet outcome by having us use resources to help evaluate and accomplish a goal and then put it into a written format. In my career development class, the outcome was to transfer knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experiences to new situations we may come across. In a simulation for this class, we learned how to properly go through an interview. This met outcome by transferring skills, knowledge, and behavior we had learned to an interview we may experience in real life when looking for employment in this career field. Career Development 2 also helped to meet the outcome of employing strategies for reflection on learning and practice in order to adjust learning processes for continual improvement. We wrote an essay for this project to reflect on how we can improve our career readiness. This project met outcomes by having us reflect and find ways to continue to improve for our future career in this field. In college mathematics, I met the outcome of following established methods of inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. In this project, we worked out problems in math that could pertain to our personal life or our career. This met outcomes by using mathematical reasoning to make decisions and form conclusions. I could not get my learning community essay to load from my ePortfolio to my MyCred, but the outcome of participating in a social, academic, and professional community for individual growth and to function as a citizen of the multicultural world was met in this essay. In the essay, we wrote about being professional in a multicultural world. There were many other outcomes that were met. I met the outcome of extracting codes by extracting codes from medical records. In my advanced CPT and HCPCS Level 2 coding, we did a project where we coded through different office scenarios. This helped meet the outcome of abstracting codes. In my advanced ICD-10 CM coding class, we had to make up an educational plan for training coders with coding scenarios. In this project, we made plans for training and also did scenarios as examples. The outcome of abstracting information from medical charts to assign the correct diagnosis, procedure, and supply codes in a variety of medical situations was met through a few different portfolio projects. This project showed a couple examples. As well as this project. These are some of the outcomes that I learned while doing my program in Bryant and Stratton College.